Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. And Marcia is addressing Erica, as she has a lot to say about her and whatever has been, going on social media re Erica. So go ahead and go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. And remember, when you go out there today, ensure that you're doing the right thing, loving on each other, making sure that you're doing what God says you're supposed to do. Let us be mindful that love is the answer. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
Me turn it down to 75. But you want the wind to hope me for cold breeze are coming. That not gonna work. No, so me just go turn it down. You know that is about what's what going on, Leo? Me not know the rest of them there. Maybe Freddie gone up on one date with her husband. Who knows? Yes, my dear. I want too bright and hot or the sick stomach. Every day you have to come up here and prints up herself. Eh? Both me and use her for contents. Somebody can't you know use up already. You know say you whole dry trash. Wait upon you for use. You already done out toilet paper already. One more somebody can use you. Then where you have for somebody use. The mountain man where golden shower you. And shit pan you from Belgium to Jamaica and Portland all over the place. Then I want more use you want. You done already done a ton foot mat, toilet paper, shit house, all kind of piss pot and whatever. Then who want you for use? Then what they pay you for use after nothing left? You know, see, look at mangy body left. We're rusty and ugly. Then who want you for use for content? Then what they pay you? Your name Trumpy? Eh? A Trumpy full of contents. Me would have got talk about. What you have nothing to give, boy? A piece of whole door straw mat like a you. We're done with. Eh? Dog come wipe him foot pan you. Cow, donkey, everybody. Then what they pay you for use for content? Then content they pay you have nothing to give. I use a thief and a scammer. Eh? You come over here and scam me page every day and a scam. You all gone on website, gone thief people, documentation and come out here black money. Then where you have? When you was a thief. Eh? Then who want a thief like you for content? What they pay you? You come like a them blood clot black dirty dish towel. Then what they pay you? Eh? What they pay you? For somebody use. You don't not even a piece of toilet paper for wipe somebody behind. You use up already. Then I wish part of you. Nobody I use the content. What they pay you? You have nothing to give. You can't blood clot read and write your ugly. All you have sit on a piece of cran, a piece of whole refurbish wrap furniture where you have. The piece of whole table. Then what they pay you for content? What they pay you for content? You dry up skin, will look like a leech. Need some leech pan if you go suck out the corruption, them out your cacarass. Then what they pay you for use? For content? Eh? Not even Vice Cartel, not even run things again. From Vice Cartel, people go show and go and nobody not even really talk about Vice Cartel no more. Right now, them and Beanie Man, them argue. Other artists. Beanie Man, I want to put a little something on that, because me tell you something, Beanie Man. You're one of my favorite artists. Beanie Man. But me tell you the truth. Me tell you the truth where me know in myself. And Marcia split justice, Beanie Man. You are in a class by yourself, Beanie Man. And Vice Cartel is in a class by himself. Etuauno is one of, you are more kind of out there longer than him in the sense. You did it before him get boss. So you're not supposed to compare yourself. You don't need to be in a competition with Vice Cartel. Vice Cartel is music them is for a different category of people. And your music them can play anyway. In a hall kind of places. Most of Vice Cartel song them can play in a certain places. You have song we can play all in a church function and sitting. Most of Vice Cartel song them can play. You don't need to be in a competition with Vice Cartel. Who are the king of dancehall? Nobody shouldn't run on no king. Nobody no king boy and no queen boy. A one king is Jesus Christ. So it don't make no sense. You are like trying to be in a competition with him or whatever. Yes, when come out and you and Bounty Killer and the rest of young people them have a chance. Because the young people them around the things down the yard. For rule Jamaica in a while he was in jail, locked up, him still in around things, said we have a musical play, said we. So you is a veteran in the business. You have to be the bigger person. Because now I see a whole heap of artists come out for you. Because of where you are going with. I know it kind of look a little way still, because I know it would be a jealousy among who know. Because he come out and him just lit down the place with millions of dollars. He come out of jail and less than a few months in buy a mansion. He come out of jail a few days and go buy BMW and this and that and that, not. Of course, it's going to cause jealousy. You understand? You understand? So you know that already. Everybody have them time. Me live in a bubble. Cartel who own the internet. Cartel no own at them internet. Can I only Cartel alone people watch. Because when Cartel come out, Cartel just give a little tool, a little something, a little rhyme and go about in business. Cartel no own the internet. Nobody not saying nothing about the Cartel, so don't come up here and talk about living in a ass bubble. Cartel no own no internet. Him is not as popular and Aguan as before when he first came out and after him show. Don't tell me one Ross. Don't come up and tell me about Cartel own having own internet. Owns the internet. Cartel no own the internet. Right now, President Trump around things right now. Me not ask you. President Trump around the thing right now. So anybody who own the internet right now is chumpy. We no business with Cartel have to say. Because we don't have a time for Cartel and the rhyme and come out and say one under my nose and go out in business. Big up Cartel, but Cartel not running internet right now. The only person is running internet is chumpy. My president of the United States of America run the place. Everybody, I hope not 10 years old, to hear what he have to say. Because everybody is affected by it. Whatever nationality you are in the world, and you're here illegally, or you have status here, or certain things, them have to listen and hear where you up to. So when you come good and proper. And one man around the internet now is chumpy. Everybody want to know what laws, what pass and when a pass. And we're high heading next and we're not head. Nobody have time for Vice Cartel come out and I get two little rhyme. Vice Cartel come and get show. Me not go over Instagram, but he come and get show night time. I give him a big show. Or him for run internet. Is he coming here and giving a love show? Does he have a reality show? On YouTube or TikTok? He must say I run TikTok, but not the whole internet. One man around the internet now. His name is Chumpy. One man is running the internet. And is my president of the United States of America, Chumpy. Vice Cartel now wrote no internet. Right now, my man text me, hold on. You hear somebody come out of a talk a little something, or not jump up. That's why Jamaica will never better, and the internet will never better. Because anytime you don't like somebody, it no matter what them do, just like all people over the iguana lizard woman page, I know say she are going with peer fuckery when it come to me pitney and myself, and them would have never stop her and tell her say leave Marcia alone. It's 2025 now. I'm gonna stop a dry. I'm gonna close my rent so it never pack up. I'm going to business. Hold on. You understand? Just a sound of stay. Once you don't like somebody, you know. Look how much people over here. Almost 3 hours. Close to 300 and see there, 37. Because like up alive. Like up alive, man, like it up. And me I say to myself, them here are over there going with the foolishness. And these same people sit down side her and have pit in a jail at Jamaica right now a charge of murder. Me not ask you. Lots of mothers sit down on the page and know say some of them pitney behind bar, some of them pitney in a gang, some of them pitney do all kind of same thing. Suspended license, this a same thing, and that is something the same thing like CJ. And then would have never tell you to hold big belly, bang belly, iguana lizard woman to tap it. Them over there. Because them feel like say they want me must happy. Me not happy. Because them don't like me. So them feel like say, oh, me hear them over there, cuss her, ride her, ride who? Yeah, go see how long she can ride for. Wait until I don't pay for my things them. And you will see who she'll ride. Just wait. Me I go in the store tomorrow. Go finish up my orders them. I want to see who she go and blood clot ride. Because me and her go in the courthouse if you not call my name. Me not take her in the courthouse for certain things. Me I take her in there where she can't call my name. Me no want she write up my name. Me no want she talk about me and my pitney. So you will see who you are said for go write. She have to go write some other type of way. But she can't call my name and put up no picture with me and my pitney. Me not ask you. Yeah, so you can't stay there. Encourage her. A perilous time we live in. Go encourage you. Look how he go on a bang belly woman. If you go see one psychiatrist. And go get some drug treatment. You see a crackhead that. You know, see how she addicted to smoking. Every time you hear over there, click sitting. You know, see a crackhead woman that. You cannot trouble people who live better than her. You cannot, me get a paycheck every week, you know, she get a paycheck every month. Unless she have something at Jamaica hide when the bad no know sell 2 little chicken or whatever it is. Or she go run taxi. My money guarantee. Me dep on my work. Me do live in work. And go home when me feel like. Me go in home the weekend. And me choose when me want to go home. If me not feel like going away, me not going nowhere. And me have everything provided for me. Me wake up in the morning time. Let me repeat it. Me get my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner. And plus me have my cupboard and my fridge full of food. Me not hungry. Me not have to touch one paycheck to buy one big cleaner. Because me not need to. Because me get good food in here. If people are paying their ass good money, so I have to give them good food. I pay good food when I'm in here. I not ask you. Anybody who work in my facility, they know. In a retirement home, they know. Say, once you pay 15 grand and 14 and 10 grand for them place, you know say a upscale place. You understand? So me not walking on a way when a upscale. And this is independent living. This is not a nursing home or hospital. This is independent living. Where people are pay them good. You know, you see how much money people are pay for their rent? You know how much money that I had per month? And them have it for pay without a ease? And media enjoy too. Till me go for me one. I wish part media good environment too. A white people environment too. Me live in a. Me not live in Hartford. Me live out of Hartford. When me rent my place, quiet and nice. Yes, and fit me. Me not living in a ghetto. Me not hear no ambulance and me not hear no ambulance. And me not hear no police around nobody. I don't even see my neighbor. Because I did ever see them. Winter time now. Me only hear pit me and foot around up and down upstairs. You understand? Me only hear foot around up and down. I don't see a soul. Me don't see not a soul. One time I glimpse two white somebody. Because me no winter time, but now time I greet people that winter and see people. When me dey on road and come in. People must say that work when me a come in. So me no business with she. Where she can chat to me no time. I am well comfortable. God prepare for me. So she can chat to me no time at all. She have to worry and come again. God soon strike the little line tongue there where she have. You see a line lips is abomination to the Lord. You have 3 of them on social media. 3 of them are the biggest liar. Them love to twist up story. She, the boy, and Kingston 13. Them are the biggest liar up on social media. Love to twist up people's words and add in story. They are the biggest storyteller out here. Me no business if she want to concuss me. She's one of she and the boy, 3 of them out here, is one of the most pathological liar. You can't book up on Jamaica on Facebook in this diaspora. The 3 of them, one big pathological liar. Them twist up a story. If you come out and you say your drawers red and you have on it, then come back and tell us say brown. Me not ask you. Them harding story. Them is a big storyteller. And them dry eye with it too. That's why when God ready for them, they are going to be in serious problem. Me not ask you. Serious problem. You have to greet me better than that. Me don't understand the language there. You have to greet me better than that. Me not used to the language. You have to come better than that. You have to take that page. Take you over somebody else's page. Big up yourself. You have to come better than that. Just like when Andrew come up and tell me. Yes, my dear. You have to represent just like that. You can't come up and ask a question there. No, me can't talk to. Because I never see a type yet. Over here. Much less go figure, when I members only security can't talk to me like that. And if them talk, only them alone, me allow to get with that. Two things me not like over here, unless me and you are big friend. But then you ask me how me doing before you address me and say good night. Yes, you have to say good night. How you doing? You can't go ask me how me doing. Oh, yeah, of course you're new, because I never saw your name type before. But this page is a page you have to acknowledge me properly. You can't go and tell me what I go on. Like say me supposed to call you. I never hear from you. I'm your friend. Okay, well subscribe to me, but make sure you behave yourself when you come over here. Make sure you be respectful. If you don't be respectful, then you're gone. You understand? You have to be respectful. When I come out here evening time, I say good night. Yes, me not come out here come go on before me start to talk. Yes, exactly. One thing I don't like to address is A. Then come over here and say hey to me, me not answer. Because I'm a donkey. Me not like that. Hey, no, don't talk to me like that. Maybe go man. Remember say me a old man, you know. Remember say me a 65 years old. According to them out here. Me a 65. And time, I wonder if this year me I go on pension. Me no mind me go on pension right now, give me 2 little shilling, you know. Then I'll jump Social Security Department start pay me a little change. Because me no mind. Me a 65 February coming. So time for going to retirement, move send me 2 little check come give me. Me have to put in for disability, social security, all kind of pension. You look younger. Yes, my dear. Because I treat myself good and eat good. That's why I look so good, but I'm 65 February coming. 65. Very nice, and I still take my young boy. Them say, even though me at 65, I date a 25-year-old man. Yes. Oh my God, black don't crack. Black don't crack, honey. Yes, black don't crack. Please don't believe me. Since you're going all of that way, I'm not 65. I'm not 65. Since you're typing all that thing, let me stop talk. I am not 65 years old.